Integration x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx is equal to, so integration x power by 1 plus x power 6 whole square into dx. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ మెథడ్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనేది. సో let x power 6 is equal to t. సో డెరివేషన్ అప్లై అండి. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 6 into x power 5 into dx is equal to dt. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by 1 plus t square x power 6 is equal to t, 1 by t square into x power 5 dx is equal to 1 by 6 dt. 1 by 6 into integration 1 plus t square into dt. So 1 by 6 into this value, formula is 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse t plus c. 1 by 6 into tan inverse t means t is equal to x power 6 plus c answer. ఇంతే.